The Penang City Council's disaster management team is prepared to face any disaster following the unpredictable weather since Wednesday during the Hari Raya Aidilfitri holiday season. 13 locations have reported incidents of fallen trees and broken large tree branches due to heavy rain and strong winds in the north, east and southwest areas of Penang on Wednesday. The work of cutting, moving and cleaning most of the areas involved has been completed, while the areas that require large equipment and machinery will be taken care of as soon as possible. Penang City Council said the Malaysian Fire and Rescue Department and the Civil Defence Force also joined hands to help carry out the work of cutting, moving and cleaning the areas involved.